Hey, what's happening, Stinker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get the video started, you already know, go on to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got a what? Another unboxing. So we're doing something a little bit different here. Of course, these are just another shoes that I pick up. I pick up shoes all the time. I necessarily don't only unbox the Jordans, but I was like, why? This is a special box right here. Bam, you see it. The Pokemon. Time to time, I do rock the Crocs. So this is a special collaboration. Pokemon's right here. We're gonna take a look at these. Which ones that I get? If you don't know, there was 4 exclusive Pokemons that dropped on the Foot Locker app, and I just happened to hit. So I'm assuming that nobody want these. I do rock the Crocs, and I have some collaborations in my collection. Most of these I really don't collect. I do actually wear the Crocs. So right now, I got on these right here on feet. I beat these up, but these were the Star Wars. These were special editions. You know, it's sad because these probably were expensive and worth a lot of money at one point, and I just beat them up real good. It's already wore out, as you can see on here. I wore them. So I do wear my Crocs a lot, and they are comfortable shoes, and I can't wear them all day long, but I don't have many of them. But I thought we'd check out these special collaboration Crocs. Go ahead and open them up. They do come with that special box, as you can see, and then check this out. It says, so I guess they're trying to give me a discount or something. So I'm not sure if these, like they said, they glow in the dark, but I'm not sure about that. Just let me know. So this is my size 10. They did come from Foot Locker again. They did be wrapped in this bubble paper right here. Go ahead and open these bad boys up. And bam, we got the shoe. This is a special collaboration again, Pokemon. But these ones I chose to get with the Charizards, because it does feature that Charizard dragon on the front. It's a wild colorway in my opinion. It does have that all over flamed out look with the orange, red, and yellow. It does feature that Charizard fire right there. Overall, this is just a simple Croc shoe. I do like that the bottom is black. You don't have to worry about getting these all dirty. Move around to the back, we do see that Pokemon branding in the back. I really think that's a nice touch. Overall, this is just a clean and simple shoe. Again, on the inside, we do see that Pokemon emblem right there. We're going to take a look at the other shoe over here. Again, we have a different pose of the Charizard right there. And we have another little fireball right here. But let me know you're rocking the Crocs. I see a lot of people are when I'm out and about. There's always at least one person that's wearing a Croc all the time. I think one time I went to the movies to see what the kids were wearing, and most of the people was wearing these Crocs. Comment down below, Sneakerheads, were you able to cop you a pair of these Crocs? And do you like Pokemon? And do you believe in having these collaborations? What do you think about these collaborations that Croc is doing? I do think they're doing some wild and crazy stuff. If you don't know by now, they are releasing some Crocs for the dogs. So, Crocs is always doing these wild collaborations. Again, these are just a pair that I happen to pick up. I want to share these with you. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. This is a quick video, and stay tuned for the next unboxing.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.